What does an estate agent do? Why does he earn the big fee when he sells a property? An estate agent helps you set the value of your home. An estate agent will be able to give you an expert view on how much your house is worth, setting it at the right price to market. Your estate agent should arrange for your property to be professionally photographed, get a floor plan drawn up, and write a detailed and attractive description of your home to be used in the brochure and on the big property portals. You shouldn't have to pay any extra for photography and these other basics, as of course they should all be included in the fee the estate agent charges for marketing and for selling your home. Make sure the pictures are up to scratch, as they are crucial to attract plenty of viewings. If not, request that new ones are taken. And cast your eye over the property details. Of course, these need to be correct to avoid problems further down the line. Your estate agent will be able to tell you how the big property websites work, such as Zoopla and Rightmove, and have accounts with them so that your property will be advertised on these sites. Before you start marketing your home, it is a legal requirement to have an Energy Performance Certificate, EPC, which tells potential buyers how information about the property's energy use and typical energy costs. Your estate agent can organize this for you. If your property doesn't sell as quickly as you had hoped, or the estate agent had promised, speak to your estate agent and ask why that's the case. You are paying them to market your home and secure a sale, so ask them why your house isn't selling. Conduct viewings. Your estate agent will arrange viewings of your home and guide potential buyers around the property, answering any questions or queries people have. Manage negotiation. It's a key part of an estate agent's job, is to manage negotiations and act as a go-between for any potential buyers and the owner of a property. During this period, the estate agent can be helpful to the buyer, but they should always put the seller, their client, first, of course, and to get them the best price for the property. Check the buyer, check if the buyer is serious. Estate agents might take reasonable steps to find out from the buyer the source and availability of their funds for buying the property and pass this information to the seller. This will cover whether the buyer needs to sell a property, require a mortgage, or claim to be a cash buyer, or any combination of this. Usually, they will ask the buyer to show an agreement in principle from a mortgage lender to prove that they are in a position to afford the property. Keep this moving. Once you've accepted an offer or had an offer accepted, then the estate agent should issue a memorandum of sale to the vendor, buyer, and their solicitors. Many people think an estate agent's job ends once an offer has been accepted, but this is where actually a good estate agent will really come into their own by helping make sure that the offer moves forward. But for more details and advices, get in touch with me.